Hey, hi everyone. Welcome to my channel again. Keep it simple. So today we are going to see the Huawei Amaze Fit smartwatch, which I've got it from Amazon. So here is the watch. I've got it. So to tell about this watch, this is very nice, and also I use an Apple Watch with me, and when compared to Apple Watch, this is very nice to use, very lightweight, and also it has a lot of features in it. So let's go and unbox this box to unbox this to see what we have inside. So this is the box which you get from Amazon when you order. So I ordered this for 8499, and I've got also the HDFC discount of 1200 rupees. So now it is costing 9999 in Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. So let me open this for you. So the box is very nice. It comes with white color box, and it is very solid and it is nice. So you have a quote here which says move beautifully. So this watch comes with six different colors. So one is rose pink, steel blue, vermilion orange, black, gold, and we have got the gray here. So let me open this and show you what all we have in the box. So this comes with strap, which is a rubber strap, which is good. The quality is good, and it has a 345 ppi, which is 1.65 inches touchscreen, which is AMOLED display, and it is very nice. The clarity is very good. I'll show it to you in some time when I switch it on. And also the touchscreen response is beautiful in this when compared to my Apple Watch also. And the company claims that they say that the battery backup is 14 days when you charge it. However, I have tried it for a week, and to be honest, it gives a good power backup. So it stays for 7 hours or 8 hours, and when you use it per day, when it is charged for just 15 minutes, and if it is a full charge, I'm sure it will last for 7 days at least. So when I tried, it worked for 7 days and still going on. So I think the battery is pretty good here. So let me show you what we have on the box. So here we have the box, and it has a pull slip here. So when I take it out, it has a manual which explains about this watch, each and everything we have in this manual, which is quite good. And also we have a pretty impressive magnetic charger. So this comes with USB. You can connect it with your normal adapter, and it is magnetic. So when you just connect it at the back of the watch, it just fixes like this. So pretty cool feature, very nice, and it is good when it comes to charging. So let me also show you the features on this. Let me go ahead and switch on this. So before I switch on, I just want to say this is a 5 ATM water resistant, which is 50 meters of water resistance, and also it has 12 sports modes, and these sides are made of metal, which is quite impressive and strong. However, the weight is just, I would say, 35 grams, or I'm sorry, just 25 grams. So is what been claimed in the website, but it is too light when compared to my Apple Watch. Apple Watch is pretty heavy, though, but this is too light. And also, it will help you for a 24-hour consistent heart rate monitoring. That is a good feature. So let me just turn on this is a sticker on top of it. Let me just turn on this for you. So to turn on, just press the button on the side. So you can see the clarity is very good since it is AMOLED display. And yes, so here we go. This is the screen. So you also have optimization of screen on the apps. So you can just download the app for this, and then you can track your information. So as I said, the clarity is very good. The battery is very good. So when you just scroll down from top, you will have the night mode, lock screen, brightness, and also torch. Torch is nothing but it will increase, or it will just show the color in white. So it doesn't work as a torch, but yes, pretty much yes, I would say. And when you press this button, it will go back to the main home screen. And again, you just scroll to the right, you have the steps, number of steps, and you just go here, you will get the heart rate monitoring. So when I used it for a week, I would say the heart rate monitoring is pretty good, and it monitors exactly. Also, when I rode on bike, or when I go on a car, it doesn't calculate the steps. That is a quite good feature when it comes to Amazfit, because in the previous model I just tried another Amazfit watch which just cost 3499 on Amazon. So when I go on my bike, it still calculate the steps for me, but this is pretty good, and the interface is also pretty good in this. So let me go and show you what menu I have in this. So when this is connected so it works with Android as well as Apple. So you have to download the Amazfit app, and then you have to pair the watch. So in app, the interface with the application is very good, and I would say Amazfit has increased the features on the app, and it is working pretty much well when it connected with the Bluetooth. And also it has a unique feature, I would say, which is nothing but as PAI, which is personal activity intelligence. So when you set up this watch with your phone on the application, so it will ask you for your body weight, height, and the initial information. So when you just give that information, it will give you a personal assistant or personal activity intelligence, which is nothing but it will tell you or keep you going when it comes to exercise. So if you do a good exercise, it will encourage you, and it will make you earn the points, which is nothing but the personal activity intelligence points. So if you have 100 points in personal activity intelligence, then it means that you have a very good health and good exercise. And that's pretty much with the PAI. So let me go to the menu. So if you see, you have the status. So you have the PAI here, heart rate. So it has 12 activity modes. So if you go to workout, you have the outdoor running, you have walking, you have outdoor cycling, treadmill, indoor cycling, open water swimming, pool swimming, elliptical trainer, climbing, trail running, skilling, freestyle. So sorry, skiing and freestyle. So this is very good actually. So this has many features, and also the activity or the track rate, I would say, or also the notes, or I would say the information which is given by the watch is pretty accurate, and it is very good to use. So you have the alarm feature, so notification. So when it comes to notification, you can connect your phone with this, and you have to enable that on the application. So once you enable that on the application, you will have all the notifications coming into your watch. However, you cannot respond to the notification. Also, it will show the call details, and also you can, however, you cannot attend the call. You can disconnect the call from here. When someone calls you, it will give you a notification, as this doesn't have a speaker in it or a mic in it to speak like Apple Watch. However, for this price, I would say this is very good, and also the most best thing I like is the clarity of this watch. This is, as I said earlier, AMOLED display that gives life to this watch. And also, for heart rate monitoring, you will have this lights coming up, which is in green color. So I think it is not working now because I haven't tied in my hand. So once I tie it in my hand, it will start the heart rate monitoring. So charge, as I said, this is magnetic charging, very good. Also, you can replace the straps. It is very easy. You just need to open this, unlock this, and remove the strap and change it. Straps are available in Amazon. And one more thing is, which I would like to show you, is the quality. So yeah, here you can see that now we have the green lights flashing. So because I just kept my finger here, so it is just sensing my heart rate. And the strap is pretty flexible, and it is nice. So when you're running, or when you're walking, or doing a cycling, when it sweats, I don't think this strap is gonna save that, because since it is rubber, of course it will stick to your hand. But you can try for any leather straps which is available for this. So you can just try on any applications to see if they have any good straps for this, which can be easily changeable by opening this lock. And the next thing which I would like to show you is the application on the phone. So this is the Amazfit application. So this application is very good when it is connected with your watch. So you can see in this application you have the steps which will show up here, and then you have the PAI, as I said. You have the heart rate monitoring here, and also it has a sleep score. Sleep score is nothing but it will show you how deep you slept. And you have to, however, you have to tie your watch in your hand. And the next thing is pretty interesting. So you have your alarm clock here, event reminders if you want to put in, and also you have find device. So if I click the find device from my phone, this will wake the watch up. So if you want to find your phone, if it is connected, so that you have to go to this menu option. You have also compass, timer, countdown, and you have another option called find mobile. If you just click on this find mobile, you can see, so this will make sound, and you can find your mobile with the watch. So and then here it is relatives and friends, so which is nothing but follow your friends and relatives, health data, and real time. So you also have a pretty cool feature, which is target setting. So you can set your target, and this watch will encourage you with some good notifications that you are yet to complete your target. And you have another good thing, which is watch face. So this has a lot of watch faces which is given by Amazfit. And also you have a custom feature here. So this custom feature is nothing but if you want to add your photo on your watch, so you can add that under custom option. And so here we come for the alerts. So incoming call, you have to go and turn on the alert so that the calls will come up on your watch. So application alerts, as I said previously. So in order to activate or which all applications which you want the alerts to come into your watch, you have to go to this option called manage apps. So once you click on it, you have to select the respective apps and then go back. So those apps will be added here and the notification will come up when it comes on your mobile. So you have the vibration mode, which is here. You also have a pretty good feature, which is unlock screen. So when you are connected with your watch, you can unlock your phone from your watch. So that is a cool feature which is given by Amazfit on this application. So this is very easy to use. The application is very nice and you can connect your watch. So this is the same interface how it is now you're looking on the Android phone. This is the same way it looks on the Apple phone. So that is pretty much what I have today. So the overall rating out of 5, if you want me to give for this watch, I can give 4.5. This is very good and I would suggest this is one of the best smartwatch or health fitness watch to go with. So if you like my video, please subscribe, please like, and if anything you can comment, or if you want me to do any other videos you can comment on the comment section. Thank you for watching today.